Good morning, students. We will continue with our chapter 7, where we have read about the SAS rule, ASA rule, and AAS rule. And as we know that whatever we are having side angle side, that does not mean anyhow we can write. This ASS means angle side or side angle. This will not hold anyhow. There we were having one theorem also for the ASA to verification, but when you, I think you have seen that we have removed some part, so their verification we have not done and it will not come in your syllabus also. So today we are going to talk about the theorem 2. What theorem 2, or you can say theorem 7.2. What we are having, angles, once we draw the two triangle then we will discuss. Angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal, means if these sides are equal then their opposite angle, this side equilateral we know, sorry, isosceles we know, two sides will be equal. If this side, so this angle, if this side, this angle, and congruency to but of is in 2, it will be applied. Agree? Means angles opposite to equal sides will be equal. Suppose this is your A, B, C, this is your P, Q, R. This we are having. This was separately made. Correct? If suppose it has came like this in this one figure. Okay. This is your A, B, C. So if they are saying congruent triangle, these two triangles, we can see two triangles are here. If this angle, this side is equals to another side, so this opposite this and this opposite this, they also will be equal. In short, you can understand like this: if AB is equals to AC, then angle C is equals to angle B. Agree? Theorem 3, or you can say 7.3, it just converse. If angle C is equals to angle B, then AB is equals to AC. If in one triangle, in two congruent triangle, if these angles are equal, then the opposite side also will be equals to each other. Understood this thing? So here we having these one theorem we have done with the ASA that we understood. Theorem 2 is here. In isosceles triangle, if sides are equal, then opposite angles will be equals. Next theorem is there. If opposite angles are equal, if angles are equal, then their opposite sides also will be equal. Now we are having our next theorem, which is for the triple S. Congruency rule you can understand. By this which we have read right now, by that you can understand your exercise 7.2 easily. For the next exercise, we have the rule, congruency rule, triple S. Triple S, as you by the figure you can come to know, triple S we are saying means all the three sides equal. Any figure we are having, suppose I will draw like this type of figure, this type of figure you can take, this type of figure you can take, up to you, three sides. This side equals to this side, this side equals to this side, this side equals to this side, or this side equals to this side, this side equals to this side, and this side equals to this side. Side, all the three sides are equal, so we can say congruency means triple S congruency rule, side, we can say. Fourth rule has done. Then this you can give the name, theorem name also. This is your theorem 7.4, like that you can understand. Okay. Then 7.5, theorem 7.5, RHS congruence rule. RHS, right angle, hypotenuse, side. Means suppose you will draw like this you will draw. So we can say in this, in two triangles, the hypotenuse and one of side equals to another triangle, then they will be, so but of this also will be equals to them, because we are talking about the right triangle. So perpendicular base and hypotenuse is there. That's why we can say if in two right triangles, the hypotenuse and one side of one triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and one side of the other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. These both the triangles will be congruent to each other, which we say right. This mostly we will try in the when we have a right triangle. That time only we will try, because right angle must be there, no? Then only possible. Agree? So this we have read. We are going to be used means opposite sides and the angle. So right hypotenuse, right angle, hypotenuse, side. RHS congruency rule we will say. So with the help of this, easily we can go for the our next exercise. exercise 7.3. So you will try and understand that, once again go through them, then I will send you solution. If you are facing solution problem, then let me know, then I will try to explain you also. Okay, go through the examples, go through the congruency rule and solve the questions. Thank you.